Hi guys, I'm Katie from the All Electric family, and today I've got 5 gift ideas for families who travel. So whether you're looking for a gift idea for a family that's always on the go, or you're looking to add to your collection on making your trips a little bit easier and more enjoyable, I've got some really good ideas for you, some things that we use a lot on our travels. Let's see what we've got on the list. And before I begin, I'll let you know there will be individual links for all of these items in the description below, and there'll also be a general link to our Amazon store where we've got a lot more ideas and a lot of things to help you in your travels. And as always, we really appreciate you clicking those links because it does help support our channel so that we can continue bringing videos to you. The first item on the list is this water bottle carrier. I have one of these for each of the kids so that mom doesn't end up carrying a water bottle for everyone. And I really love these because they can fit a regular water bottle, or this is a 24-ounce take you water bottle, which I love these water bottles too, so I'll put those in the description as well. So you can carry whichever kind of water bottle you want. The great part about these is they have a little zipper pocket so everybody can also carry a little snack for themselves while you're out hiking. We found that a lot of times the reasons why our kids were done with hiking was they were thirsty or they were hungry. So this allows them to bring a water bottle and a snack with them, and mom doesn't have to carry it. It makes hiking a lot easier and more enjoyable and helps the kids last a little bit longer. This is a packable backpack, and we actually got one of these for everybody in the family so that when we went on hikes or went out adventuring and needed to bring extra supplies with us, like a coat or rain gear or extra snacks, we're gonna go on a picnic, whatever it may be, we have a big bag that we can take with us. So it just folds up right into the front pocket of the backpack, and then you can zip that pocket up and use it. It's got another big front pocket here, and then you also have a small front pocket here, and then you've got your big pocket. This big pocket has a laptop sleeve, it's got 2 mesh pockets, and you can fit a good amount of stuff in here. It is a good sized backpack that folds down really small. We love them because we can store them in the camper and they don't take up a lot of space, even when we have one for each kid and then one for mom and dad. So we have 4 of these backpacks packed up in a small space in the camper so that they're always with us. It's got nice wide straps so it doesn't pull on your shoulders, and it even has like a whistle and clips, so if you get lost you can blow the whistle. There's all kinds of hooks and straps and clips, so it's a really nice hiking backpack that packs up really small. You also have 2 water pockets, so you can bring a water and a backup water. This has been a really great investment, and we use these when we are out exploring all the time. The next item on the list is this one, and this is the kids' favorite. This is called a slacker swing line. I can't really show it to you right now, so I'll put some video up of our kids using it. But this is a ratchet strap that can go between 2 trees that you can turn into a swing set. It's got 2 swings, a bar, and some rings for your kids to turn anywhere into a playground. And it is awesome. When we have this out, our kids will play with it constantly. It'll be dark and they're still over there swinging and flipping upside down and having all kinds of fun. You can also buy additional pieces, so you can get different swings. There's a ladder. There's all kinds of stuff you can add to this little swing set. It also comes in this little backpack thing, so you could carry it with you if you wanted to go on picnic stuff. So this has been fantastic. The next item that we have on the list isn't quite as glamorous or fun, but it's really super useful. So these laundry bags. It comes in a pack of 2, and I wasn't really sure if I was going to use them when I bought them, but these have been the most useful travel thing I have bought in a long time. They're huge, as you can see, gigantic. We can fit about 3 to 4 days worth of laundry for our family of 5 in one of these bags. I'll bring both bags when we go travel in hotels, at the in-laws house, in the camper, wherever it is, and we'll fill it up. When the clothes come off of our body, we stick them right in these bags. And then I'll just dump the bags in and wash the bags with the laundry when we get back home. In our camper, we have a little hamper, so I'll just line the hamper with this laundry bag. We'll throw the stuff in there. When it gets full, I pull it out. The bag will either go in the shower, or we can take it out and put it in the back of the truck, and since it's cinched up, and it's got one of the little grippers so it doesn't come undone. Super useful, super simple, but mom approved. And then last but not least is my favorite, which is this Venty Fan. So this little guy packs a pretty big punch. So you can extend it, so you can raise it up and put it on the floor, which is very nice. In our camper, I'll extend it and tilt it back and aim the air up towards the ceiling so that it's really circulating the air everywhere in the camper. I love it. It also has this nice little remote that stores, but with a magnet right in its base. It has 3 speeds. It has a light with 3 levels of brightness, which is super nice to use as a night light, and you can control that from the remote as well. And one of the coolest features is that it oscillates. So this is, if you sleep with a fan, this is a traveler's dream. It fits into this little pouch, and it does have a strap that comes with it as well, so you could carry it. So this is great for hotels, RVs, tents, the in-laws house if you don't have a fan in your room. Wherever you want to take it, it folds down super small and super nice so that you can have a fan wherever you want it. It does have a little hook. You can even operate it like this. So if you wanted to hang it somewhere and operate it, you can. I am charging it right now, but it does have a battery pack, so you don't have to charge it. And I have run it all night long on the battery. And it also has a USB port if you wanted to charge something off of it. So this little guy is super useful, definitely my favorite, and well worth the money spent on this little fan. Like I said, all of these things will be linked in the description below if you're interested in getting them for yourself or as a gift for someone else. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you'd like to see us do more videos like this, leave a comment down below. If you also have any questions about any of these products, let me know and I'll do my best to answer them. See you guys in the next video.